it is not like entering into a neatly organized kitchen every morning? Keeping a kitchen clean is less about the time involved and more about creating some good habits. In today's video, I'll share 15 tips I follow to keep my kitchen fresh and clean all the time. Cleaning as you cook is especially important if you have small kitchen and very limited washing space. I wash my mixing bowls, pots, other cookware while I'm cooking rather than keeping it in the kitchen sink. This will reduce my post-meal kitchen utensils. I keep wiping the accidental spills and messes on the countertop immediately instead of postponing the cleanup to the end. If you get to a spill as soon as possible, it will be much easier to clean up rather than the dried up gunk which will need to be soaked or scraped first when it could have been easily cleaned up with a simple wipe. Placing a bowl on the countertop while cutting veggies, fruits will help in easy cleanup. Instead of throwing food scraps onto the countertop, it is much more efficient to place them in a bowl. It also helps to reduce the time to take frequent moving near to the waste bin. Once you complete your kitchen work, you can put it back to the waste bin and wash the bowl. If you have a white countertop, then you know how hard it is to scrub away those turmeric stains from the spoon that's resting on the countertop while cooking Indian dishes. So using a spoon rest will make a lot of difference during the post-meal cleanup. You can use any plate or bowl to rest your spoons or spatulas while cooking. This will help your kitchen stay tidy and organized while cooking. A cluttered countertop makes the whole kitchen look messy and untidy. Everything in our kitchen has its own place, so place all your spices in their designated place soon after use. Instead of having things scattered here and there in your kitchen, it's much better to have similar things all in one spot, and without a bunch of junk cluttering up your counters, you have so much more room for prep work. Once you're done using the pressure cooker or any such utensils which will need a good scrub, place it in the sink and soak it with water instead of placing it on the countertop. Keep the washed utensils back at its place so that the countertop is clear and clean. Go through your kitchen utensils, cookware and dishes. See if you have extra stuffs or doubles, then dedicate a spot for your remaining essential kitchenware and make sure you always put it back in its place. Wash your cutting boards and knife immediately after use. This will make it safe without accumulating food particles. Wooden boards are safer than plastic, but I have been using the steel board from Amazon which is very easy to maintain. I'm going to link this in my description box, you can check that. No matter which surface you use, it's very essential to keep it clean. Wash it in soapy water and after use, pat dry it if it's a wooden board. When in kitchen, there are some things you cannot do without. One such thing is kitchen towels. Kitchen towels are serious helpers. Keep two towels. I use a microfiber towel for wiping plates and utensils. They're not just used for drying dishes, they're also what we grab in a pinch for a quick cleanup. Another towel I use is for wiping hands so that I don't leave any handprints everywhere. After I've done using something, I go for a quick wipe up. I quickly wipe fridge handles, oil dispensers, spice containers. It might feel like a massive task in the beginning, but it's worth it. Gradually, it makes so much relief during my deep cleaning sessions. Next tip I follow is placing a cotton mat near the sink area. This will help in absorbing the splashed water while washing the utensils. It will absorb the water and help to keep the floor dry. Later on, I can dry the mat. To make your morning stress less, always try to clean your gas stove and countertop after every meal. Wipe quickly the spills on your gas stove before it starts settling and gets difficult to clean. Cleaning chimney once a week and making sure that any waste oil is not stuck on your chimney filter. It may have dropping tendency into your cooking food, so wipe the filter on everyday basis. Weekly checking what's in your fridge will help you to not waste any food. You can always keep food that has to be used soon on the first rack so that you don't forget. I usually buy my veggies every week so that I have limited food in my fridge and I'm not confused of what to cook or nothing goes waste. Wiping the fridge every week is a good way to keep fridge clean all the time. I degrease my cabinets every night. This cleans away all those nasty grease stains, water drops, or handprints after cooking. I use plain water to wipe it clean, and on weekends, I use cleaners. Waking up to a clean kitchen is a mood booster. So always do your dishes at night. It just takes 10 to 15 minutes to do that. I usually soak my dishes in soapy water for 5 minutes before washing. This makes it very easy to clean and I do not have to put a lot of effort in scrubbing. There's nothing worse than a stinky kitchen cloth. So washing it every day or once in 2 days helps to keep it clean and fresh. Always hang up your dish towels to dry between uses. I wash it every night using a soapy solution and once in a week I use vinegar and hot water. Spending a little time cleaning the sink every time will save you from the difficult task of having to deep clean your kitchen sink. Leaving chunks of food from washing dishes in the sink is super gross. It hardly takes a minute to dump out the food scraps and wipe down the sink. I gently scrub the sink with soapy water every night and before I go to bed I drop few drops of tea tree oil into the drain which makes my kitchen smell fresh. Washing the dishwashing tools like scrubs, wipes are equally important. The scrubber may have food particles and it contaminates with proper washing. So do a boiling sanitization with some baking soda and water every week. And every night I clean it with soap and hot water and I squeeze them and let it dry overnight. So that's the 15 tips I follow in my kitchen. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll come back with a better video very soon. Till then, stay safe, get vaccinated, and keep a check on your loved ones.